Hi guys, just a very quick video going over inequality symbols. First of all, we have less than, and then we also have greater than. One of the ways that we try to remember these is by saying that the open mouth always tries to eat the larger number. Some teachers even say things like imagine a crocodile or something like that. So anyway, this one here, less than. So if we take the number 3 and we have the number 4, basically this statement is saying is that 3 is less than 4. You can obviously write it the other way round. 4 is more than 3. Now, if you sort of imagine these are jaws of some animal, a crocodile or whatever, and they're greedy and they want to eat the bigger thing, obviously 3 is smaller than 4, so it will try to eat the 4. And here, if it's this way round, 4 is more than 3. I'll give you some more examples. Right, so we have 4 examples here, and I'm just going to model how I would answer these. So the first one, we have 23 and 42. Well, 23 is smaller than 42. The open jaws going for the bigger number. Here we have 37, which is larger than 18, so the jaws are facing that way. Here 17 again is larger than 9, and the final one, 72, is less than 79. So the quick way to remember is that the open jaws always point to the larger number, so that there. So all I'm doing here is just marking the larger number, that way I know I've got them all right. Now occasionally you might see questions like this. So you have 26 plus 2, then you've got the gap for the inequality symbol, then 9. So this is almost like a two-stage problem. You've got to work out first of all 26 plus 2, or 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 is larger than 9, so you would write it that way. And similarly, this one at the bottom, you would have to work out 1 plus 1, which is 2, and then you're comparing it to the number 7. Well, 2 is smaller than 7. And even more occasionally, you might see two numbers that are exactly the same. Well, if they're exactly the same, you don't use the inequality symbols, you use the equal sign. And basically, when we use the equal sign, we're saying that the two numbers are the same as each other. So here we've got 5 equals 5, or 5 is the same as 5.